Here we are wrapping it up for the day. We just about got this job done. Another customer came from Covington to see what the house looked like, and
she loved it.
Yep. So we're gonna do her house next over in Covington, and I thought I'd just get a quick video of what this is looking like. Real windy out here. Great one tuckpointing. This house is near completion. We tuckpointed every brick. That's our full service restoration. There's still a few spots that we're working on, that we're doing some touch up here and there, additional acid washing and so forth. We just finished this chimney up today. There's some green mortar, you can tell. We've done some brick replacement. Just finished that up there. Here's our homeowner, Matt, in case you see this on YouTube.
Alright.
And it's coming along pretty good. Back around to the front. This is Matt Crawford's residence in Kirklin, Indiana. And we've got a little bit more to do and this job's completed. We'll put some epoxy on some of the poured foundation fractures and a little more acid washing. We're installing Dripedge above the double windows. We'll be done tomorrow.